my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made these silver and purple geode coasters. So, just stick with me, and without any further ado, let's get to it. So here I have my colors. I am using Arteza mica pigment and Curl white pigment. And it is time to get mixing. So here I have my resin in the cups. I have 3 cups of color and 1 cup for transparent. And I usually divide my all resin in half. One half I keep transparent and the other I divide for my colors. And my resin for today is Art Resin from Resin Pro Company. It's been quite a long time since I worked with colors like this, and now mixing, it feels like I am doing it for the first time, a bit anxious and excited at the same time, because lately on my channel I've been making projects that involves flowers, working with flowers, and there you don't need to know these techniques. And yeah, I find working with flowers it is a bit more easier. So here I am starting the process of pouring coasters. I have new coaster molds. They are nothing special, just I got them from Amazon, quite cheap. I would like to buy lots of new molds from different companies and people, but at the moment I can't really afford it. It's all in my wish list. Maybe Santa Claus is gonna bring me some in the future. Fingers crossed. And yes, here I am starting to put down some silver leaf for my centers. It's really up to you when you decide to put down the center. It can be in the beginning, how I'm doing this time, and also it can be at the end. It depends on how is your mood or what you are thinking at the time, how you are feeling. And after, when that is done, it's time to pour down the colors. I am starting with the silver and going around circle. And then I'm gonna put down the purple, pour some transparent, and gonna go over with white. So I'm gonna stop talking now and let you enjoy the pouring process and come back to you very soon. So yeah, the pour is done, and now it's time to leave it for 24 hours to cure. And this is the next day. I am very excited, I must say. How I mentioned before, I haven't poured in this way for quite some time. So I am excited, and I'm hoping for really nice pattern at the bottom. So I am unmolding, and oh, okay, I see what happened here. I see that the white maybe wasn't strong enough and it didn't sink to the bottom. Yeah. So number 2, we'll see how this came out. The same. But it is quite nice effect that the white made in the middle. And slowly I am warming up to these coasters, and I don't think that they are a big failure. So I will paint the edges silver, put top coats, and I think they're gonna look quite good, quite likable. So yes, that's my next steps. And here they are, all ready and finished. And how I said before, I didn't really like them, but now I think they are really nice. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please leave a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!